1. This is Numberblocks 1.
Surprise!
Let's make Numberblocks 2. 2 number blocks. Let's attach it. Numberblocks 2. Numberblocks 2. Let's make Numberblocks 3. 3 blocks.
Whoa!
3 blocks. Numberblocks 3. Numberblocks 3. Let's make Numberblocks 4. Here are 4 blocks.
Let's go.
Let's build 4. This is Numberblocks 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make Numberblocks 5. Let's make Numberblocks 5. 5 blocks. Let's build 5. Five. Numberblocks 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numberblocks 5. Let's build Numberblocks 6. Let's build Numberblocks 6. Six. Numberblock 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numberblock 6. Let's make Numberblocks 7. Let's build Numberblock 7. Wow. First recap. Seven. Numberblock 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numberblock 7. Let's build Numberblocks 8. Let's build Numberblocks 8. 8. Let's build Numberblocks 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's build. This is number blocks 8. Number blocks 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number blocks 8. Let's build number blocks 9. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's build. Nine. Number blocks 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number blocks 9. Let's build number blocks 10. Number blocks 10. 5 and 5. Let's build number blocks 10. 5 towers. Make right side 5 towers. Ten. Number blocks 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number blocks 10. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4, 3, 2, 1.